What can I plant in shade or part shade up against my foundation that will absorb moisture away from my foundation? Is there such a plant? And this is Macy from East Tennessee, Zone 7A. Foundation problems, right?
Right. It sounds to me, if you're trying to think of a plant to take the moisture away
From the foundation?
you probably have a drainage problem, or you wouldn't be asking the question.
Right.
It's my guess that maybe you don't have gutters on your house, or maybe you do and you just have a drainage problem in your bed right up against the foundation. And
Right.
if that's so, there's not really a plant we could recommend, because the drainage problem will cause root rot, and most of the things you plant is going to die anyway.
Right.
So what you need to do is fix your drainage problem. Either install gutters, or if you already have gutters and they're not working out, install a French drain.
Right. Yeah, so I was thinking the same thing. Yeah, must be a lot of moisture there.
Yeah.
And again, she said it's up against the foundation, and those conditions, shade or part shade, a lot of water up
Yeah.
against the foundation, it's gonna be tough. You know, so I think she has a major drainage problem.
Yeah, me too.
Right. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.